Hi, this is a demo that shows how to sync the attendees from a specific Confetti event with a Affinity list. And this is done through Zapier. So I created a demo event here, Affinity demo event, and here I have the Zapier interface. So I first start with creating a trigger for Confetti. And the event I want to trigger on is the ticket updated, like this. And I have already prepared an account that I want to use, like that. And I want this trigger to be triggered for tickets in the Affinity demo event, like that. Seems to work. And here I have some test data. We will continue with the selected record, and the action for this SAP is in Affinity. And this event is update an entity. And I already prepared and connected my Affinity account. And so now for the action. First, I need to create a list in Affinity, which I do here. And I will start build one from scratch. And it's for people. And I want to call it, for example, demo breakfast, for example. And now it's important to remove all the statuses that are predefined and create new ones. And the new ones needs to exactly match the ones that exist in Confetti, which are invited. We have attending, we have declined, and we have waitlist. And you can choose here where you said, like, you don't have to put them under open, won, lost. That doesn't matter. It's just the name that's important. So now we have a list. We can go back to Zapier. We refresh Zapier, and now we can find the demo breakfast. And to find the list entity that we want to update, we need to add a search step like this. And for here we select the demo breakfast. And here we need to add another search step to find the person on the list. So we click on the add search step again. And here we will say that we will search for the email address from the Confetti ticket. And if the person does not exist in Affinity, we would like to create a new person. And this new person should use the name from the ticket. And we will use the email address from the ticket. And we can remove the extra fields if we like. And then we continue. We test this step. Like that, it seems to work. Continue. And now we go back to this find list entry for Affinity. And then the important part here is that you need to go back to the action here. And now you need to click here as well to say create Affinity list entry if it doesn't yet exist, like that. Here we can also remove the extra fields like that and continue. Like that, test this step. It seems to work as well. And now we are back at the update an entity in Affinity. Now you need to go here to the action. And this is important, that for the list entry, you should not have list entry ID. You should use the list entry composite ID, like this. And this is also really important. You go down to the status field here, and you say that the status of this entity should be the Confetti ticket, and then you pick the status from the Confetti ticket, like that. And now, so you add the list entry composite ID, and you add the ticket status here. That is all. So now we press continue, and we test this step. And it seems to work. Now I will just name this Zap Affinity test. I will publish it like that. And now we can see a few different things. First, here in this is the Confetti admin. If you go to settings and webhooks, you can see that we have a webhook for ticket updated, and it goes to Zapier.